Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of July. And first of all, national news. On merciless loan recovery, Finance Minister's instructions to banks. Lessors have applied for deregistration of 54 Geo first planes government. India rejected $1 billion bid by Chinese car maker to set up EV factory, a report said. Carrying essentials, first goods train entered Manipur after nearly 2 months. Amit Shah to visit Tamil Nadu, Telangana for 2 days from August 28. Parliamentary panel suggested setting up specialized security agency for airports. Flood scare in Karnataka amid heavy rain, schools, colleges shut in 9 districts. ITC briefly dethrones Hindustan Unilever to become number 1 consumer stock. Supreme Court refused to put Assam delimitation exercise on hold. Byju's downsized Bengaluru office space in bid to cut cost amid legal troubles. Now international news. Protests broke out as Israel cleared plan to curb Supreme Court powers. Climate activist Greta Thunberg removed from Sweden protest hours after fine. North Korea fired ballistic missile, a report said. Suborbital flights might soon take you to any point on Earth within 2 hours, a study said. Google owed $338.7 million in Chromecast patent case, US jury. Pak poll body issued arrest warrant against ex-PM Imran Khan, a report said. China's economy facing new difficulties, top leaders said. Elon Musk's SPACEX rocket punch hole in IONOSPHERE. Twitter officially replaced bird logo. Website now shows X. Now some sports news. Sri Hari Nataraj failed to qualify for 100-meter backstroke semis at World Championships. FIFA Women's World Cup. Ari Borges scored hat-trick as Brazil put on the style. Germany also win big. Move over baseball. Team India created history with brave ball in second test against West Indies. Trevor Francis, Britain's first 1 million GBP footballer, died. Kylian Mbappe fetch world record 300 million euros bid from Saudi Arabia club. Indian women's softball team set to debut at Asian Games. Now news related to business. 7.4 crore income tax return filed for 2022-23, Finance Minister. Sales of luxury homes priced above rupees 10 crore up by 49% in Mumbai, a report said. ITC to demerge hotel business into separate company. Centre cleared 8.15% interest rate on employees' provident fund for 2022-23. And that's all in news. Thank you.